Hello dear fans. What is methodology? Many students, when writing term papers and theses, come across concepts such as method and methodology. But if the first term is clear to the majority, then the second raises many questions. But in order not only to include the section methodology in the diploma, but also to really use it in work, you need to understand what it is. Instructions. Step 1. In general terms, a methodology is a system of methods and means used in the science or practice of human activity. As follows from the description, at least two main types of methodologies can be distinguished: theoretical and practical. The first includes, first of all, methods related to thinking, the second, specific actions to achieve a certain result. Step 2. Theoretical methodology is most actively used in the creation of scientific theories and models. One of its foundations is epistemology, a section of philosophy devoted to the specifics and possibilities of cognition. In this type of methodology, even a special subtype can be distinguished as scientific methodology, consisting precisely of the methods applicable in a particular science. The complex of methods of scientific methodology includes the creation of theories in the form of a generalization of the scientist's experience, hypotheses, that is, assumptions explaining the phenomenon, but not yet confirmed experimentally, methods of experiments, that is, practical verification of general provisions, and a technique of observation, which makes it possible to correctly perceive and fix any situation or state that a scientist has witnessed. Step 3. Also, theoretical methodology is used to create philosophical works and theories. Dialectics, widely known for its use in the Marxist direction in philosophy, is also referred to the types of such methodology. Step 4. Practical methodology includes specific research methods. Typically, in a term paper or thesis, a student must use both types of methodology: theoretical, to describe the principles of research, and practical, to concretely implement it. Step 5. An example of a practical methodology is the problem-solving methodology. This is relevant for disciplines such as computer science, mathematics, and others. In this case, the methodology describes specific algorithms for solving specific types of tasks. Thanks for watching.